I'm going to be doing a kind of like a vlogging type of intro because I can't find my tripod. So today I'm just going to get on with the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some things you can do for your mother for Mother's Day. And yeah, if you guys like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, let's get started. So for this first DIY, it's going to be a jar of your mom's favorite things, and you want to start out with a mason jar or a big bell jar. And I just started filling it up with her favorite candies like Starburst, Sweet Tarts, and Laffy Taffy. And since her favorite color is purple, I also added some purple flowers as well. You can also add lots of more stuff if you can fit it, but I also made this lavender purple bath bomb because I know her favorite color is purple and one of her favorite scents is lavender. And here you go. Now I'm making a card for her, and I just took some of my purple markers and I wrote Happy Mother's Day, and then I put my sign name like Bree, and I just used this on cardstock and cut out the square. Now I just put the card next to the jar and you're done. Next is, okay, this is kind of weird. She got these chips like the day before, and it inspired me because they looked a little bit like flowers, and I know she liked them, so I just glued them onto this wooden dowel to make it look like a flower. Little halo. This is so original, but next you will be making breakfast in bed. You can buy store-bought muffins, but I couldn't find those, so I just made my own. And the directions say 1 egg. This is the first egg that I've kept open with one hand. Then it says 1/4 a cup of milk and then 2 tablespoons along with it. Now melt 1/4 cup of butter, and this is about 30 seconds, and then cool it in the freezer for about 5 minutes. Mix in your muffin mix and then mix it together. It should look like this. Then you want to spray some Pam into these little, I don't know what to call these, cupcake thingies, I don't know. But yeah, just fill them about halfway or almost full, and they should be good. And also preheat your oven to 400 degrees and set this for 16 minutes. While that is baking, I'm going to put some chocolate fudge on a donut, and you can melt this chocolate, but I just used the one from my last how to cake video, and I also added some sprinkles. Then put it in a coffee filter. Now time for some strawberries. I forgot to mention that we're going to be spelling out love. The donut is the O and the strawberries are the E. I found these recipes and stuff like basically on Pinterest, and they use raspberries, but I know my mom's like strawberries more, so I just got some strawberries, I washed them, and then I cut off the green part. And if you happen to see a mushy strawberry, I suggest trading it with something else because, yeah, that wouldn't be too good. Taking these muffins out was a struggle because it was literally 400 degrees blasting at my body. I forgot to get my mom for help, so I just did it by myself. Remember, as a baker, you need to poke a hole to make sure there's no wet stuff in the middle. Now we're going to be making pancakes, and all you really need is one. I kind of went a little over, so I made a little extra for myself. And since her favorite color is purple again, I added some purple food coloring and this cinnamon and sugar mixture for my churros. I remember that she really loved them and she wanted them for something else, so I mixed them together. This unicorn is supposed to be a heart, but I could not find a heart, and this was a fail, so I just made a regular circle. And ta-da! Just imagine that the O was a V. Now for our last DIY, you're going to need some flowers, and you just want to take off the actual flower part from the stem and then hot glue the stems together like this. Also remember to glue them all together in one big bunch. Next, take a bobby pin and hot glue one end of it, put it in the middle of your thing, and then hot glue around it to make it more secure, and this is how it looks. My mom is being a model. Okay guys, we got into the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!